Alrighty, so this week in my classic planner, I'm going to use the Sweet Floral Unicorn Kit by Plan to Stitch Planning, and it's pinks and unicorns. Very pretty kit. Kind of just go through it real quick here. The half boxes and all that. I know I've probably shown this on the Happy Mail. By 3 Tiny Bows, I'm going to use the Water the Plants, the Trash, and the I'm Freaking Magical Unicorn, and I do PR for her, and the code is TTBVANNESSA to save 20%, and she's got a ton of new releases, so make sure you check her out. I'll have the link below. And I also PR for Brianna Nicole Designz. She runs a ton of sales. I post all them on my IG, on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me at Vanessa76 so you can see when she's having a sale. And I'm using the groceries. I've got the buy cat food, the shave, the TNs, the busy doing nothing. As you can see, I like a lot of these, so I'm getting low. The get crafty, the coffee, the dishes, the TVs. I don't feel very worky today, and of course the kitty cat faces. And then the clips I am using this week is this one is by Threadheads Designs, and these 3 I have just got off buy sell trade board, so I'm not sure who makes them, but I have a lot of unicorn clips, and these are some of my favorites. So these are the clips I'm using this week, and I do love that July is pink. So we'll go ahead and get started. I always like to start with the, and I do buy the Erin Condren kits, even though I use the Recollections. They fit pretty close. I mean, there might be a little bit of a difference, but I don't think it's a whole big enough difference for it to make a difference to me. I mean, you can see a little bit of the lines there, but it's just not that big of a deal to me, I guess. I mean, I'm sure there are stores out there, shops, that do sell the kits for this. I just don't have any in particular. So I do like that, like I said, July is pink, so I don't think I need any banner stickers, any cover-ups. I'm just going to leave it pink there. And we'll start with the days of the week. I will write in the numbers, and I will start with 9 since I messed up on the other one, because I did not see numbers in the kit, which is okay. I could have just looked right past them. That is possible too. And then I do like to flip it upside down, because for me it's just a little bit easier that way. And I just try to get as close as I can. It's probably going to leave just a little bit of the black showing. That's alright. It looks like there's several deco stickers. I do like that the patterns on all the date covers are different. That's pretty. I love the colors of this kit. I am a pink girl. And so it was appropriate that July was pink, because July is my birthday month. And I haven't even done the video yet on Planner Jam. I've got all the stuff. I'm just kind of behind. Sometimes there's just too much going on. So I had to make some me time so I could get my planning done this week. Alright, so there's the days of the week. And I do want to put the full unicorn box up here in the corner. And I think I want to kind of go diagonal this week. Last week was the flea market. It's one of my favorite things to do. So I did go poke around the flea market on Saturday, and I picked up a few good deals. Got a real cute little table and chair set that I really like. And I do kind of, even when I rotate them, I do like to keep Saturday and Sunday pretty even. Then I think I'm going to do my list. And I'm doing these sideways, trying to keep them as straight as I possibly can. We'll see how that goes. And every so often I'll do completely no white space planning. But I like a little white space. I like to have room to write. Even if I kind of feel like it's a week where I don't have a lot to write. I mean, things change and stuff pops up. I do have a few appointments and stuff this week. And I'm going to put the weekend banner in right here. I don't think I'm going to use any of the check boxes since I use the flags. I'll probably use one on the, when I do the sidebar. So I will put in where I keep track of my work schedule. Because after last week's oddball week, it's back to the old grind. And I'll use this box to mark anything that I think is neat or interesting, or, you know, like, I guess the highlight of the day, if that makes sense. The best part of the day. I have found that I like marking that in what the best part of the day was. Like, today what I mark it in, I donate blood at work. I do it all every time we have a blood drive. It's just one of those things I do. I don't do it for any other reason other than I have blood, I can give blood, so I donate. But they do have a drawing, and I did win because I donated. I got an upfront parking spot till the next blood drive. So it's just some months, you know, sometimes a blood drive. This is only the second time in 8 years that I've ever got it. But, you know, that's just kind of neat that for the month I get to park right up front just because I did something that I do all the time, and I would do even if an upfront parking space was, you know, not going to be there, if that makes sense. Because I don't do it to win a parking spot. It's just one little perk that you may or may not get. But that was, you know, just a little woohoo highlight for today. Okay, these do have 7, so I will actually use 2. And I don't see meals because she has meal stickers. So I will just write meals in. Oh, she did have a daily tracker. Oh, that's okay. We have a to-do. And I will go ahead and use another one just for my little bits and bobs I need to do for the week. And then just a little remember for my little habit trackers. Alright, so I think that is, let me open this up flat here. I think that is the main parts of the kit I want to use. Thursday is payday. So I will put that on there because that's an important thing. It does have some deco I want to use. Put that little unicorn there. And not decoing on all of it, just a little bit. Alrighty, so that is the main part of the kit I want to use. So then let's fill in. I really like this unicorn, so I wanted to put it on kind of this plain border here. That'll be my Wednesday reminder that I am magical. And then Sunday is the day the trash needs to go out. I got to water on Tuesday. Thursday. And Saturday. I plan on going to the store on Friday. It's my Saturday. One of my to-dos this week, and I'm going to use a green one so it stands out. Buy cat food when I go to the store so I don't forget. Buy food, and then we're going to put a cute little kitty right beside it. And then the day that I go to the grocery store, another little kitty cat so I don't forget. And I did not feel very worky today. I haven't been watching much TV. And then Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, I will do the dishes. I drank a whole lot of coffee today. And then I got a project that I'm working on this Saturday. So I'll mark that there. And Tuesday is going to be, tomorrow is going to be my kind of relax and do nothing day. Because the rest of the week, I got stuff going on. Alright, so I think that is the main part of the layout. I will have to get a few more different things out as the week goes along, because I got a few more things I need to kind of mark off and keep track of. I will try real hard to post a midweek spread so you can maybe see some of the other stickers I use, because I do add more as the week goes along. But that is my spread for the week. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.